Kong la khat khan lai tarik filit thap vote
มันต้อยบันติแทบโหวต election โลกสภา election MLA มันเตหอยเสีย
พลีบันลิthap vote kan khana ba ka surjungi ki pa riu lum kan sawa jam anong ba Delhi
ละลอร์กรีอินเดียจงยีกับเฮกิจิงกะลาอายุเก่งใบนี้อีเวลานีอารงดกินอมิขมัดกินละมันวันระ
ni we nong mi khma ru la ban wan ra bun ka jingkala to pe chene la da phi phi dei ne bam li thap vote la da don si we ru bam li thap vote ba da shikum ta kan sa khalam ka jing sun char pat ba te pat ba ba ro phila ya so tho am ba ka khat khin dai tarik upnai April 2000 ra laki apet
กระเนี่ยเนาะไอเป็กจงอ่ะกว่าชโน
tong shwa plus no tho am filit thap vote no am ta
พอออยแกงแต่ละมันจุดแบบพี่นี่แทบโหวตเนาะมันกัน
BJP leader and cabinet minister L Hek addressed media inquiries today regarding the latest political developments ahead of the upcoming MP elections in the state set for the 19th of April 2024. During his interaction with journalists, L Hek commented on the recent trend of supporters distancing themselves from the BJP, noting that such shifts are not uncommon for political parties, particularly in the lead-up to elections.
I told that in politics during the election, a lot of gairam, ayaram, kabhi ata, kabhi jata hai. तो कोई बोलने नहीं सकेगा क्यों आयराम गैराम देयर मेनी आयराम गैराम in all the political parties, not only BJP, not only Congress, nor NPP, nor UDP, nor TMC, nor anybody. Ayram gairam, you will see all things happening during this period of elections. See, the voters will not affected anywhere. Ayram gairam आएगा जाएगा लेकिन voters will not be affected.
Regarding the recent seizure of rupees 1.25 crores by the flying squad from an executive member of the Badri Rai company while following Meghalaya Chief Minister's convoy at Longding in Arunachal Pradesh, L Hek suggested that while election funds are essential for all parties, the money in question could also be intended for payment of wages to labourers by the Badri Rai company.
See, during election we need funding. So they have taken the fund for using the election. So what's wrong to take the fund? But they got caught, that is different case. But everybody we need to have to spend during election time. And this is the open secret. Nobody can deny that we cannot spend during the election. We have to spend. So maybe any political party have taken the money, but they were caught. That is a different case altogether. But the election fund, everybody need election fund to spend during election. No, if we say this is for paying for the laborers, maybe it is right also. I don't know about the case. I'm talking about you are saying the money been taken. So money during election also is required. To paying the labor wages also is required. Any contractor, any supplier, any businessman, it can be close with any political parties. And we cannot blame to a single political party. Right. So that contractor, he is a big contractor, he might be taking money to pay for his laborers. Who knows? But when he got during the election time, we thought that is the money of election fund. Why should, if it is election fund also, I don't have any fund. If it is a labor payment also, I don't have any fund.